Hey, what's going on guys, it's Camon here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a quick review of the all-new Tecno Camon 11 Pro. Now, two devices were launched, which are the Camon 11 and the Camon 11 Pro version, of which we'll be going through in this video. I mean, this is one we've all been waiting for, the one most of you guys out there have requested we reviewed. So here you have it, and without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. Before we head right into the unboxing and my initial thoughts on this device, let's get right through the specs. The Camon 11 Pro comes in 64GB of inbuilt storage and a whopping 6GB RAM. Powered by a 3750 mAh battery, the Helium P22 octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz has got the processing covered on this device. Reaching for the box and on opening it, you are greeted with the device itself, and I must say this is one hell of an amazing device. While we get that out of the way, you get to see this little box that houses the paperwork, warranty cards, SIM ejector tool, and a nice looking plastic case to protect this device. A layer deeper, you get the basics on most devices in recent times, which include the 3.5mm jack earphones, a charging brick, and a micro USB 2.0 cable. Honestly, I'm actually tired of seeing smartphones with this port in 2018. Turning on this device and setting it up took about 2 minutes to get it up and running, and I must say, the combination of the hardware and the software here is quite amazing. There wasn't any noticeable lag even with iOS 4.1 on top of Android Oreo. I'm usually in the habit of throwing a launcher on my Tecno devices, but I think for the sake of this review, I'll run with iOS. Right back to the device, there are a couple of things you'd notice. The back of the Camon 11 Pro is definitely a fingerprint magnet, and if you are someone like me who loves using their smartphone naked, instead of hiding one smartphone's beauty, you would need to have a microfiber cloth readily available to wipe off those prints. Talking about the way the gradient at the back looks, does it remind you of any smartphone? Well, moving on, you get to the fingerprint sensor, two rear cameras which are 16 and 5 megapixels with quad flash, yet you have 4 flashlights that are really bright, and further down is the Tecno branding. Moving on to the front is the 6.2-inch display which has a resolution of 1500 by 720. I still wonder why the previous gen Camon Pro should have a better screen resolution. I guess this was intended to help you save your battery's life. But honestly, this display isn't bad either. You still get the notch, which sort of has become a 2018 standard for most Android devices. For those of you out there who do not love notches, you have the option of hiding it through software, though you wouldn't get the pure blacks at the top since this isn't an LED panel. Talking about the front-facing camera, you are greeted with a 24 megapixel camera with flash. The flash also doubles as a charging and notification indicator. As we've come to know the Camon series with their front-facing camera, you must have expected that. I just took a photo and a test video with this, and it came out to be pretty decent. I mean, this isn't a full review, and I'll have my detailed opinion on the camera when the review is out. Hey, what's going on guys, it's Camon here, and this is a quick video, front camera video and audio test of the Camon 11 Pro. Speaking of full review, why not hit that subscribe button and the notification icon next to it so you get notified when the full review comes up. The rear camera, which comes with some modes such as the AI cam, beauty, bokeh and the panorama mode, also takes great photos as can be seen here. My thoughts on this will be in the full review also. Taking a further look at this device, you see the volume rockers, the power buttons to the right, while the SIM tray comes off the left. To the bottom are the speaker grills, the micro USB 2.0 ports, the mouthpiece opening and a 3.5mm jack port. Basically, the Camon 11 Pro seems to be a little pretty decent device I suppose will cover my basic smartphone needs, and I'll be having it at all times for the next week or two so I can bring you a detailed review. And that's been it for this first impression video and my thoughts on the smartphone. If you did love it, feel free to give this video a thumbs up or let me know what you think in the comment section below. Otherwise, it's goodbye, I'ma catch you in the next one. Cuídate.